Hi guys, how we doing? I thought I would nip on and give you an update on the Bokashi bin. This is Wednesday. So it's been approximately 7 days since I started this Bokashi stuff. And this bin's nearly full. This is just some old bread that we had left over, and I can tell you right now, there's no smell. It smells like sourdough bread. That's what it smells like. And I'll apologise for the audio. I don't have my mic with me, so I'm doing this via the camera phone. Anyway, this one's nearly done. I've just finished servicing my shredder, and I shredded up my corn. So to finish this one off, I'm going to top it off with some shredded garden waste rather than kitchen waste, just to get it finished and put away. And basically what you need to do is you really need to, try and press it in to get the oxygen out of it, because this is anaerobic composting to begin with, and then it becomes aerobic. So anyway, that'll do, I think. So press it all down. Oh, sorry, I actually forgot I had the camera on there. So get it all pressed down as tight as you can. I'll take this glove off. And then we need to finish it off with some of this bran. So basically just like grab a handful and then sprinkle it on. And what I've been doing is I've been putting this plastic bag on top and squeezing down to try and get rid of as much air as I possibly can. Okay, and then I'll put the lid on. And what I'm going to do is, today, I'm going to put masking tape on it with the date that it will be ready. And now, they say 2 weeks. I might leave it longer, I don't know. So this is part 2 of the Bokashi bin. I went out and I purchased, I don't know if you can see it down there, a big plastic box with a lid. That will be probably part 3 of the Bokashi bin. Bokashi compost. So I'll get this done. I'm then going to start my next bin. So hopefully this one will take 2 weeks to fill, because this one only took a week, but I deliberately done that to try and get it quicker for the video purposes. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next update. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.